Timeline of Christian denominations. 431, Church of the East. 451, Oriental Orthodox. 1054, Roman Catholic. 1054, Eastern Orthodox. 1173, Waldensians. 1457, Moravian Church. 1517, Lutheranism. 1525, Anabaptism. 1534, Anglicanism. 1536, Reformed Calvinist. 1537, Mennonites. 1560, Presbyterianism. 1568, Unitarianism. 1582, Congregationalists. 1609, Baptists. 1652, Quakers. 1693, Amish. 1738, Methodism. 1816, AME Church. 1825, Plymouth Brethren. 1830, Latter-day Saints, Mormon. 1832, Disciples of Christ. 1845, Southern Baptist. 1863, Seventh-day Adventist. 1865, Salvation Army. 1870, Jehovah's Witnesses. 1879, Christian Science. 1901, Pentecostalism. 1914, Assemblies of God. 1965, Calvary Chapel. From the early church to modern denominations, this journey shows how history shaped Christian diversity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more timeline.